paddling, snorkeling and swimming. We're in the pet raft and out to discover one of Hong Kong's best marine reserves. This is Jorn and Fern. Welcome to episode 3 of the water adventure. We're here now in Wong Sat Ma Tau Wong Shek Pier. What are we gonna do today?
Today, George, we have a really, what should I say, an untested day today. We're going out into an area which I've not found any other information on, but I think it should be good. We're going around this peninsula here, and we're hoping to make it into a marine park on the other side where there should be some really nice fish and things to see. It's cycling, so of course it's beautiful, clear waters, beautiful day.
Can't wait.
Let's go.
Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter, so we are taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we go rafting and snorkeling amidst the corals of Hoi Ha Marine Park. We take a taxi from Sai Kung to Wong Shek Pier and start the rafting adventure to Tai Lon. But before we get started, we need to pump up our ride. Needless to say, DJ let me do all the hard work. The raft is finally invaded, so we get on board and sail away. From here, you can look out directly and see Sha Peak in the clouds.
Why are we turning around? It's very dangerous when you're paddling. What's going on? Why are we not moving forward? Be careful, we're going to have some waves in a minute, and I don't trust you when you're paddling.
It's much more difficult than I thought to navigate in the open water. After 30 minutes of paddling, of course I paddled harder than DJ, we arrived at a beach located in the middle of the Tai Tan Country Trail, where you can jump into the sea and cool off.
Well, in the first 2 of these episodes, I've been trying to get George into the water. It's been very hard. Now, can't get him out of the water. So you just saw a dolphin?
Yeah, I did. Over there, a dolphin just jumped in front of me like
a full-size
like
dolphin?
This. A small size, like a baby dolphin.
Like about this big?
No, like, yeah, about this big.
That's not dolphin.
But it looks like dolphin. It's in grey color. It just...
I think it's a fish.
No, it's a dolphin. Trust me. I study biology. This is the best job in the world.
Don't tell your boss.
No, don't tell my boss.
After a short break, we continue our relaxing journey towards Nam Phuong Wan, surrounded by the calm sea and a clear day. We deflate the pet raft and follow a small path through the forest, over a ridge and down to the Hoi Ha Marine Park. Without a doubt, it's me pumping up the boat again.
So we've come to the marine park and it's time to put on the goggles and go for a dive. I'm going to leave George with the boat to look after it, and let's see how we do, see what we can see. Okay.
Hoi Ha Wan is a protected area known for its abundant corals and sea life. Dive into the water and you will find an underwater forest of corals and colorful fish. It's not the Maldives, but it's as close as Hong Kong gets.
Any fish? Oh!
For the beautiful view and the breathtaking undersea landscape, getting here is totally worth the effort. We deflate the boat and leave Hoi Ha village. You can take a minibus or taxi back to Sai Kung Central. So that's the end of this episode. A brand new experience to me. Oh, so awesome.
It was really, really nice. We had fantastic weather, which was great. We've done about 7 kilometers in total in this. It's been pretty easy going, I've got to say, but lots to see. The marine park is really spectacular. We're going to be putting a 360 video online as well, so make sure you check that out. A few shout outs.
First, to Kylas, thank you for sponsoring us our gears and also C-Log.
C-Log for the bag that I was using today. Please like and subscribe wherever you see this. My name is DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
This is Drone and Fun!